Think your old PC is completely useless in the age of AI? That it's just an expensive paperweight waiting for the recycling center? Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. Today, I'm going to show you how to breathe new life into an older desktop and transform it into a surprisingly capable AI powerhouse. We're talking text generation, image creation, and even automating your workflows, all without needing to shell out thousands for a brand new rig. Let's get that dusty old friend back in the game. First things first, we need to tackle the two biggest bottlenecks for any modern workload: memory and speed. If your old machine is still chugging along with a mechanical hard drive and a tiny amount of RAM, it's time for an upgrade. AI models, even smaller local ones, absolutely devour memory and require fast data access. So our first step is to aim for at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, though 32 is a fantastic sweet spot if your motherboard supports it. More importantly, you have to move your operating system over to a solid-state drive or SSD. The difference is night and day. Boot times, application loading, and file transfers will become ridiculously fast. Trust me, AI workloads hate slow disk access even more than you do. This one upgrade alone will make your old PC feel brand new. Next up, let's take a look at the heart of the machine, your CPU and GPU. You might be surprised by what your existing hardware can handle. You don't necessarily need the latest and greatest silicon to get started with local AI. Many older 6-core CPUs are still perfectly capable of running smaller language models. And if you have a mid-range graphics card from a few generations ago, something with at least 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM, you can run optimized image models and accelerate your text-based AI tasks. The key here is proper cooling, which we'll get to in a moment. Even if you don't have a dedicated GPU at all, don't worry. Your CPU can still handle many lightweight AI tasks, especially those focused on text, coding assistance, and summarization. It won't be as fast, but it's a great way to get your feet wet without spending a dime. Now, let's talk about stability. Running AI models can be just as demanding as a marathon gaming session or a heavy video render. It pushes your components to their limits for extended periods, and that generates a lot of heat. So step 3 is all about cooling and power. Pop open that case and give it a thorough cleaning. Get all the dust out of the fans, heat sinks, and vents. While you're in there, it's a great idea to refresh the thermal paste on your CPU. This stuff dries out over time and becomes less effective. A fresh application can drop your temperature significantly. And finally, take a look at your power supply. If it's a cheap, no-name unit that came with the case, consider upgrading to a reliable one from a reputable brand. A stable power supply is crucial for preventing crashes and protecting your components when they're under heavy, sustained load. With the hardware sorted, it's time for the fun part. Installing some AI, we'll start with local text and chat models. There are amazing open source projects that let you run powerful language models right on your own machine, completely offline. Think of it as your own private assistant. You can use it to summarize long articles or documents, help you draft emails, write scripts for videos just like this one, or even assist you with coding and debugging. The best part? It's all running locally. Your data stays on your machine. It's fast, and it's free to run once it's set up. We'll install a user-friendly interface that makes it as easy to use as any online service, but with all the benefits of local processing. Ready to get creative? Let's move on to AI image generation. While the most powerful image models require top-tier GPUs with tons of RAM, there are incredibly well-optimized tools that can run efficiently on cards with less memory. We can use these to generate concept art for a project, create unique thumbnails for your content, or quickly mock up design ideas. The workflow is simple. You write a text prompt describing what you want to see, and the AI generates a series of images based on your description. You won't be creating photorealistic 8K masterpieces in seconds, but you can absolutely generate high-quality starting points that you can then take into your favorite image editor for refinement. It's a massive creativity booster, right on your old desktop. Now, let's be realistic. Some AI tasks are just too massive for older hardware. Trying to train a new model from scratch or run the absolute largest, most complex image generators locally would bring our revived PC to its knees. So we need a smarter hybrid strategy. Think of your local PC as the brain of the operation and the cloud as the brawn you call on when needed. You can do all your planning, brainstorming, prompt engineering, and organizing on your local machine. When you have a task that requires immense computational power, you send just that specific job to a cloud AI service. The results come back quickly, and you can integrate them into your project locally. This hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds, the speed and privacy of local AI for everyday tasks, and access to limitless power for the heavy lifting, all without burning out your hardware or your wallet. The final and most crucial step is workflow integration. Having these AI tools is one thing, but making them a seamless part of your daily routine is where the magic really happens. We can connect these local AI models to your most used applications. Imagine an AI that can automatically organize and rename your downloaded files based on their content. Picture it summarizing your web research and saving the key points directly into your Notes app. You can build custom scripts that use AI to manage your to-do list, generate project ideas, or even automate repetitive tasks in your video editor. By weaving these tools into your existing workflow, your old PC transforms from a simple computer into a proactive, intelligent assistant that saves you time and effort every single day. Suddenly, that old box in the corner becomes the most valuable tool on your desk. So there you have it. You don't always need the latest, most expensive GPU to get started on your AI journey. With a few smart, affordable upgrades and the right software strategy, that old PC you thought was obsolete can be reborn as a surprisingly powerful and seriously useful AI workstation. It's all about working smarter, not just having the most powerful hardware. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because in part 2, I'm going to walk you through the exact tools, software, and settings you need to make all of this happen. You won't want to miss it.